You cannot fix your life based on one method only. So when we talk about, I want to spend my lifetime that has been given to me on this earth in the best way possible, then this means your body must be healthy, your mind must be healthy, your emotional state must be healthy.
When a person decides that they will act regardless of mood, they begin to shape themselves into someone who is not a servant of their impulses, but a commander of their life. Every small action, every moment you choose, discipline over indulgence, you strengthen the muscle of willpower. Just as a monk trains his body and mind daily, so must anyone who seeks growth practice the art of discipline.
You can do what you want, more or less, okay? But now there are people coming to this monastery knowing that when they are staying there, they are being confronted with a lot of restrictions. You cannot eat when you are hungry. There are 3 times a day we have eating time. If you are hungry in between, you have to wait. You just have to get over it and wait until the next eating time comes. Even if you stay awake until early in the morning, next day, 6 o'clock is the wake-up time, regardless of what you did the day before. So that means this confrontation with a lot of restrictions, meaning it's not about what you want, it's about what the structure, that external structure of the monastery, let's say, is asking from you. And now, why are we doing this? So it feels almost similar, like you're in jail. Yeah, you're putting yourself into jail with a lot of restrictions. Because the more time you spend inside this type of structure, the more easy it is to actually sooner or later also actually give up what is restricting you, because it is not the external circumstances that make your heart, that makes your life so difficult. It is something inside of you that is building up, that is building up the challenges and the difficulty of what you are mirroring into all of these external circumstances. So what we want, why we have this hard structure, is because it is one method in order to tickle out the real freedom of yourself. The freedom that, regardless of how the external circumstances are inside of you, this is where the freedom must come.
In modern life, many people associate freedom with doing whatever they want. But Shi Heng explains that such behavior often leads to chaos, distraction, and dependency. True freedom comes from mastering your inner world, not from indulging in every passing desire. To be free, one must willingly restrict the impulses that drain energy and focus. This principle echoes the way a musician practices scales, or a martial artist repeats forms. The restriction of discipline creates the possibility of mastery. Without limits, the mind becomes a slave to urges, fears, and emotions. Restriction, therefore, is not a prison. It is a training field where the soul learns balance and control.
Upwards, 1. Exhale, heart center. Lift the elbows. Sink. Inhale. Step out. First movement, 1. Out.
This relieves back tension, stretches the spine, and clears the mind.
Left. Out. In. Up. Drop. Horizontal. High. In. Out. Horizontal. In.
This opens the meridians along the sides of the body, strengthens muscles and tendons, and promotes mental clarity, good for fatigue and blocked energy.
Open, step in, and push. Switch side, open, sink, push, rotate, step in, out, rotate, out, rotate, up, flex, drop, switch, drop, 7-star, cloud heads, right, first circle, out, back,
This strengthens arms and chest, opens lung meridians, and builds mental resilience.
second circle, back, out, tight, left, left, right, up, and in, right, and back to the center. Roll hand, push palm. 1. Step in, roll, out. Left. Step in, roll, out. Center. 1. Out. 2. Second circle. Back. And go. Sideways. Open. Drop. Up. In. Out. Sideways. Open. Down. Up. Go. Center. Open. Right leg, right palm. Inhale. Open. Left leg, left palm. Back to the center. Lift the elbows.
This will enhance focus, strengthen the spine, and stimulate kidney energy. Symbolizes determination and direction in life.
Carry the basket. Drop. Switch. Drop. Open. Exhale.